people coughing or sniffling at the office.
Yep, we're hearing it here. Is it just a summer cold or something else? New this morning, WISN 12 News' Toya Washington tells us, actually it's Craig McKee, tells us what's going around.
Well, it doesn't seem like it's been that warm out yet, but the summer illnesses are already starting to go around. Dr. Jeff Gentile practices at Wheaton Franciscan Franklin and St. Joseph Hospital. He's seeing flare-ups of respiratory illnesses like COPD and asthma. Both cause wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. For minor cases, he recommends staying in air conditioning as much as possible. And these are caused by changes in hot and humid weather. But for severe cases, see a doctor to explore treatments like inhalers or nebulizers treatments. And there are similar things going around as well. Dr. Emily Musselman is at Wheaton Franciscan Medical Group in Cudahy, and she's seeing a lot of people with nasal congestion. This is what causes that stuffy nose feeling we have. You don't necessarily have to have a runny nose. You can start treating it with an over-the-counter antihistamine. And even though your nose is already full of fluid, well, the doctor says drinking water, using a humidifier, or nasal sprays are often helpful. See a doctor, though, if it becomes chronic or so severe that you cannot do your daily activities. That's what's going around. Back to you.